As users become accustomed to the Schoology interface, they will find that there are many ways to accomplish similar tasks. This allows users to choose what works best for them. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind as you plan to use Schoology with your students. On every page in Schoology, you will see the bcps.schoology icon in the top left corner. Anytime that a user clicks on this icon, it will return them to their home page. As you begin to adjust your organizational structure, you might worry that additional folders will make it more difficult for your students to locate items. As you begin to organize your materials in folders, be sure to teach your students how to use the View in Folder feature. Next to every folder in Schoology, you will notice a small caret icon. Clicking on this icon allows users to peek inside to view the contents of the folder. This is another strategy to reduce the amount of time it takes for students to locate materials and support them as they navigate course content. Don't forget to remind your students that when they are working through materials in a folder, they can use the previous and next buttons to easily move back and forth through materials. In addition to the previous and next buttons, participants can also use the breadcrumbs located above the folder title or the back arrow to navigate back to different folder levels.